Hi friends, welcome back to Keto Diet Daily. If you're a cheese lover living that low-carb life, you're in for a treat. Today's video is a special compilation of our top 5 most viewed and loved cheesy keto recipes, all guaranteed to melt in your mouth and keep your cravings totally satisfied. These recipes are quick, easy, low-carb, and 100% keto-friendly. Perfect for busy weeknights or cozy weekend indulgence. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding the whole family, these cheesy favorites are sure to become repeat dinners. Give them a try and comment below with your absolute favorite. I'd love to hear which one melts your heart. Let's jump right in and get that cheese pull go. Recipe number 1, Cauliflower Mac and Cheese. Who says you need pasta to enjoy comfort food? This dish is creamy, cheesy, and keto approved. Ingredients: 1 medium head cauliflower, cut into florets, 1 TBSP butter, 120 milliliters heavy cream, 100 g shredded cheddar, 30 grams grated Parmesan, 1/4 TSP garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: steam cauliflower until tender, about 7 to 8 minutes. In a saucepan, melt butter and add cream, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir in both cheeses until smooth. Add cooked cauliflower to cheese sauce and stir to coat. Optional. Broil for 3 minutes for a bubbly golden top. Tip: try using smoked Gouda for a richer flavor. Recipe number 2, Broccoli Cheese Casserole. It's creamy, it's gooey, it's the ultimate side or even a full-on meal. Ingredients: 500 grams broccoli florets, 1 TBSP olive oil, 120 milliliters heavy cream, 150 g shredded cheddar cheese, 50 grams grated mozzarella, 1/2 TSP onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Steam or microwave broccoli until tender. In a bowl, mix cream, cheddar, mozzarella, and seasonings. Combine with broccoli and transfer to baking dish. Bake 20 minutes until bubbly and golden on top. Variation: add crumbled bacon for extra savory goodness. Recipe number 3, Cheeseburger Casserole. All the flavors of a cheeseburger minus the bun and the carbs. Ingredients: 500 grams ground beef, 1/2 onion, chopped, 1 clove garlic, minced, 2 eggs, 100 milliliters heavy cream, 100 g shredded cheddar cheese, 1 TBSP mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Brown beef with onion and garlic in a skillet. In a bowl, whisk eggs, cream, mustard, salt, and pepper. Spread beef in a baking dish. Pour egg mixture on top. Top with cheddar cheese and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Tip: add chopped pickles on top after baking for that classic burger town. Recipe number 4, Zucchini Cheese Bake. This is the easiest way to use up zucchini, with plenty of melty cheese. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, sliced, 2 eggs, 100 g shredded mozzarella, 50 grams grated Parmesan, 1/2 TSP Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly salt zucchini slices and let sit 10 minutes, then pat dry. In a bowl, beat eggs and mix in cheese and seasoning. Add zucchini, toss to coat, pour into greased baking dish. Bake 25 minutes until set and golden. Variation: add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a kick. Recipe number 5, Keto Queso Chicken. This one-pan wonder is cheesy, creamy, and packed with protein. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken breast, diced, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1/2 cup salsa, 120 grams cream cheese, 100 g shredded cheddar, 1/4 TSP cumin, Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Heat oil in a skillet and cook chicken until browned. Add salsa, cream cheese, and come and stir until creamy. Mix in cheddar cheese and cook until melted and gooey. Serve hot with a sprinkle of cilantro or over cauliflower rice. Tip: swap salsa for buffalo sauce for a spicy kick. Thanks for watching, my cheesy keto friends. If you enjoyed these melty, low-carb recipes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more mouth-watering keto meals every week. Drop a comment below and let me know which recipe made your taste buds dance. Don't forget to share this with your keto crew, because cheese this good needs to be shared. Stay healthy, stay cheesy, and keep cooking with Keto Diet Daily.